Okay, everyone, what I'm going to do is that this I did a little bit damage of the painting there, what you see right now. Well, look at this. I did a bad boo-boo mistake. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to fix this, the paint job that what you see right now, that this is going to be before, and then it's going to be after that. Once I'm going to finish it, you're going to notice that how changed it is. It's going to be like different ways, and especially that I'm going to upgrade this bicycle in the near future, because I already got an upgrade already for the tail light, the bicycle bell, the generator, the lights blinking fixture, and this one right here, the grill. I mean, whatever, or whatever that you wanted to call it. Well, you know what? It doesn't matter, because I don't need like copycatters or original ones, but it has to be like something in from the past is manufactured, but sometimes that it could be of a difficult choice that to find these parts. All of it, that what I'm showing you this, because by the future that I'm going to upgrade it soon, it will be different, that you're going to see it. And the paint job that I got it from is this, how it looked like, came out like this. Now you can't see it because a little bit focused on, I don't know what's going on, but however, I'm going to fix it and to see it that this is going to be look like before and after. So I'm going to see you a few minutes, and good luck to me.